Positive Day, Delivers. This is Dr. GGD Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Tuesday morning sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc GG Sunga. Okay, so bago tayo pumasok sa second vlog natin to at muna tayo, announcement. So November 18 nasa Hong Kong tayo for our seminar. Please contact Ma'am Lor Bautista 919-24077. Yan ang number niya. So magkita-kita daw po kayo sa Worldwide Sunday 2 PM. Yan. So ano pa announcement sa aking board? Yan, if you want to advertise your business, so pwede kayong mag-message sa akin. Contact me 0939-5254-311 and sa aking page si Jisunga and FB account Dr. Gigi Sunga. Baligtad data yan. Okay. Anyway, so basta hanapin niyo po ako, makikita niyo po ako, nakaganon po ako. Alright, how do I manage my going 8 na? 8 sources of income. Yan. So, inaabot na natin sila ng 8 sources of income. Ito kasi yung advice natin sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. Sa nanonood na ating YouTube channel, wag tayong masihan o kaya mag-stay sa one source of income lang natin because if you are employed, so no problem with that. But the problem is you have a fixed income but you don't have fixed expenses. So, ang dami natin expenses and everything is, tumataas ang presyo, lahat, tumataas ang bilihin. So, naka-fix ang income natin. So, hindi nagbabalance. So, hindi nagbabalance yung income mo tsaka yung expenses mo. So, doon na tayo nagkakaroon ng problem. Doon na tayo nagkakautang. Doon na nagkakaroon ng mga maraming loan. At eventually, nasasabotage pati retirement natin. So, we don't want that to happen. So, that's why I decided to establish multiple sources of income. Okay, so ano ba yung mga bago ko sabihin how do I manage these things, banggitin ko po muna. Again, this is not for anything else, but I just want to inspire people. I just want to tell you that being employed, okay, a full-time employee is not an hindrance para magkaroon ka ng ibang business or ibang sources of income. Okay, so hindi yan naging hadlang. Okay, I tried it and it worked, diba? So kaya ngayon ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na magsabi sa inyo niyan because I tried it, I did it. Okay, so what are my 8 sources of income? Yung isa pa start pa lang ngayon. Okay, so number 1, of course, I have I'm a full-time employee, so as a principal and as a dean, so that's my number 1 source of income. Okay, so this is the major source of income natin. Sabi nga A1, ang tao ibig sabihin ng A1 income 1, okay? Sabi ni Tay Lopez. And second, it's my YouTube channel. Though there are times na mas malaki yung what I'm getting from YouTube channel from my full-time job. So it's okay. I'm not leaving my job anyway. Okay. So the second, so my YouTube channel is paying me in dollars every month for mga 7 months na siguro ako binabayaran. And I was surprised na ganun yung amount that I'm receiving from YouTube. So secret lang pero it's higher than my compensation. There are times, okay? And third is I have my Bataan Business Innovation page that I'm featuring different businesses here in Bataan. So, meron lang po tayong minimal fee lang naman yan that we're asking to cover my transport, to cover my expenses, and of course, as a source of income na minimal lang naman, konti lang. Doon sa iba naman na alam ko nag-start pa lang mag-business, so hindi na natin, free na natin, so meron lang silang konting-konti lang naman, okay? And third is ito mga product natin, t-shirt. So, I just started 2 months ago. Yan, so, okay naman. And I have my book that's selling, yan, so, sa more than a year na yung book natin. So, medyo itong mga huli, na lang natin yan, parang income na lang natin, na-cover na yung printing natin dati, yung publishing and everything. So, okay na. So, what I'm selling now is parang profit na lang yan from my t-shirt. And as a speaker, of course, I'm earning a month. Okay, so target natin at least twice a month tayo. And as a coach, yeah, so as a coach, career coach, so online, so we're doing that. And total last my 8. Ngayon, start ng ating food cart. Binigyan tayo ng Franchise Philippines. Oh, thank you Franchise Philippines. Ng food cart 7-in-1. So, mag-start tayo ngayon. I'm not doing the selling. Meron akong ka-partner dyan to do other things in my behalf. Okay? So, start ngayon yan. Kagabi, hinassemble namin siya. So, ngayon, start na siya. Okay, so, given all these things, yan, so, given all these things, ano ba yung secret natin? There are 5. Okay, 5 secrets na ginawa ko on how to manage this 8 sources of income. Nang buhay pa naman ako. Buhay pa naman tayo, and we still have time to relax. Nakapag work pa rin naman tayo sa church. Nakapag Sunday school tayo, nakapagturo sa gospel hour, nakapag okay na pa naman ang ating ministry, hindi natin pababayaan, and nakapasyal din naman tayo. And what I'm trying to say here is, I have these sources of income, and I still have extra time pa, okay, to do my ministry and to do other things. Okay, so in between that, I'm doing 5 things. Okay, there are 5 things. Number 1 is, I set a target kasi. So, what inspired me to do all these sources of income is, I set a target. I have a financial target, or let's call it retirement target. So, before retirement, I want to retire early. So, I'm 45 now. So, gusto ko mga 55 years from now. I'm okay. I mean, by retirement, I mean, so medyo laylo na tayo. Gawin na lang natin yung, I'll just speak at least 2 or 3 doon sa 8 na yon, at 50, then I will do other missions in life. So, meron tayong target. Meron akong tinatanaw na after retirement. So, ito ako. This is where I want to live. This is what I want to do. I want to have my private nurse. I want to have my own driver. I want to have my retirement car. So, yung mga plan natin. Because of this plan, this motivates me to, to do these things. Okay? I know my why. So, as simple as that. I know my reason. So, kaya maraming tao minsan di nagtatagumpay sa mga adikain sa mga plans. Di ba, nabanggit ko nga in one of my vlogs, bakit hindi tayo masyado nakaipon? Kasi nga, we don't understand your why. We don't understand your reasons, di ba? So, in my case, my why, my reasons are very clear. Okay? I'll be doing this for my retirement, for my advocacies, for my ministry, that I can drive my own car while going to Bible study, while going to church. So, yun ang gusto ko, kasi matagal ko na po kasing pangarap yon na papunta ako ng church, that have my car to worship God, na press tayo, ganon. So, we have the visitations. So, my whys are clear. Okay? So, if you have goal, so make sure you write your why, or you know your why, your reason. Okay? Because your why will keep you going. Okay? And second, a lot of discipline is required yan. So, like, today, I wake up 1 hour earlier than my usual time. I do 2 vlogs na ngayon. Kasi kung vlog natin, then mamaya, I wake up, I will sleep late na. So, I wake up earlier, I sleep late sometimes, most of the time, because of many activities. Like, mamaya, meron tayong coaching ng 10 to 11 p.m. online. Okay? So, if you want to avail with that services, just message me. And dadaan tayo sa food cart natin mamaya. And pag nag-yes yung ating isang kausap, magba-vlog pa tayo. So, siguro mapapahinga tayo mga 12. So, something like that. It takes a lot of discipline to do this, to maintain the 8 sources of income. Okay? Discipline, kasama din yan yung siyempre, hindi ka na masyadong gagawa ng mga bagay na watching TVs na yun dati yung ginagawa. So, nagbawas tayo dyan. Nagbawas din tayo ng mga gala-gala lang. Nagbawas tayo ng mga other activities na we think activities that are not productive and that are not necessary. Okay? And my third secret to do all these things, I have my team. I leverage. I apply the law of leverage. So, I have my team who's doing the editing, who's doing the researching, who's doing something in my behalf para ma-maintain ko yan. So, hindi ko lahat yung ma-maintain without my team. I have my other people that's helping me, and I'm just paying them. Like ngayon, yung food card, so I have my my team for that. My YouTube channel have my team to edit and everything. So, okay. So, if you want to do something and you think like it's hard for you to do other things like technical skills, so you can hire people, you can do what Henry C is doing, that's leverage, that's using other people's time and effort to do what you want. Okay? So, apply that. And the fourth is I block specific time for each side job. For example, for YouTube, I'm blocking time for that. At least 1 hour or 2 hours to shoot. Okay, and for Bataan Business Innovation, my target to feature at least one business a week. And this t-shirt, siguro once a week, meron akong time to deliver, time to list down all these things. So, may notebook tayo for that. And for coaching naman, twice a week lang ang target natin. That's 2 hours. Then I read a lot and I'm watching a lot of videos on how to do coaching. So, at present, I'm devoting 30 minutes a day for that. And the food cut, of course, may time tayo dyan every day, mga 1 hour siguro. So, something like that. So, you block your time for the things that you want to do. Okay? Like, kausap natin na Sunday yung vlog natin, si Madam May-ari ng Lola's Garage Boutique. She's devoting 2 hours a day for that, for the side business. Because she's a full-time employee. So, meron, side business niya lang yon. So, 2 hours a day, naglilista, nagpa-plan. Tapos, pag weekend talaga, muwi siya dito para bumili and ayusin ang kanyang mga paninda. Okay. And the last one, why I do speaking, coaching, and other things because of this number 5 is branding. So, start branding yourself as someone na kung anong gusto mong i-perceive sa'yo ng tao outside. Okay? So that from there, you can maintain yung gusto mo na kilalanin kanila, okay, to sustain that business. For example, so I maintain my brand as a rockstar speaker, as a career coach, someone who's that's doing what is expected from me, diba? So yung mga nagbe-brand ka na sarili mo na kung ikaw gusto mong magkaroon ka ng business, so dapat ang branding mo sarili mo, businessman. So, pagka nagsalita ka, it's something to do with business. So, you're portraying different types of business. Meron kang di-discuss. So, you start educating yourself. So, that's branding. You educate yourself, expose mo sa ganong klase ng brand na gusto mo. But anyway, we'll have a separate vlog for how to brand yourself. So, these are the 5 things that I'm doing to maintain my 8 sources of income. You can also do the same. Just start doing right now. Start making, sa number 1 ka mag-start, writing your why, your reason. Okay? So, pasok na tayo. It's late na. So, yan. Please share this video sa mga kaibigan natin kahit na OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayo mabago ang buhay natin at tumulad ang ating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go, let's go.